So here is another example under the sum of arithmetic progression, and the question says find the sum of the arithmetic progression 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 to what? 58. Here we have solution. So our first term A is equals to what? 1. Our common difference D is equals to what? 4 minus 1, which is what? 3. And we know the last term, which is what? 58. So our last term is equals to 58. And we are asked to find the sum of the arithmetic progression, but we don't know the number of terms, okay? So we need to find the number of terms before we can find the sum of the arithmetic progression. So our n is unknown. So we need to find the number of terms in this AP, okay, which is our n, by applying the formula for what? The n term of an AP, which is what? Which is Tn is equals to A plus what? N minus 1 times D, okay? So here our Tn, where your Tn is equals to what? L, which is the last term, right? So that means that our L is equals to what? A plus N minus 1 times what? D. So the value of our L is known, which is what? 58. So we have 58 is equals to what? The first term, which is what? 1 plus our N. Our N is unknown. We're looking for it. So we have N minus 1 times what? Our D is what? Is 3. Okay? So here, working further, we're going to have 58 is equals to what? 1 plus 3 times n is what? 3n minus what? 3 times 1, which is what? 3, right? So here we're going to have 58 is equals to what? 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2 plus 3n. So taking minus 2 to this side, we're going to have 58 plus 2 is equals to what? 3n. So 58 plus 2 is what? Is 60, which is equals to what? 3n. So divide both sides by 3 to get the value of our n. So divide both sides by 3. We're going to have 60 divided by 3 is equals to what? N. So 3 cancels 60 to give us what? 20. Therefore, our n is equals to what? 20. So the number of terms from 1 to 58 in this AP is 20. Okay? So now we can find the sum of this arithmetic progression. By applying the formula, sum is equals to what? N over 2 into bracket what? A plus what? L. Since we know the last term of the AP, okay, we apply this formula. So we're going to have, this will give us, our N is what? 20. So we'll have 20 divided by 2 into bracket what? The first term is 1 plus the last term, which is what? 58, okay? So this will give us 20 divided by 2 will give us what? 10 into bracket what? 1 plus 58 will give us 59, okay? So 10 times 59, this will give us what? 590. So this is the sum of this arithmetic progression. So therefore, our S is equals to what? 590. Watch the next video for geometric progression.